Go, somebody's coming here. Well, they have the wrong train. Why I'm so laggy? My train is so dumb. My train is so dumb. Hi guys. Today we are playing trains in Roblox because it's my favorite game. Yeah, it is my favorite game. Well, the train is a little bit stupid. I glitched down in the map so I can do that. They not have no permission. They have permission to do that. Nobody's on my train right now, but I see that beggar girl from yesterday. Everyone is dumb. Yeah, la la la. Everyone is dumb. Yeah. Everyone is dumb. Everyone is dumb. Everyone is dumb. It just makes weird sounds. What the hell? That's the longest train ever. Yeah. See that, bro? My train disappears. I gotta spawn the train first. Okay, anyways, bye guys.